Hey, crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday, and we are headed to the Dollar Tree, and there were lots of freshly stocked arrivals all around the store that I'm excited to share. And I'm going to start off in the kitchen section. Now, when I walked in, I saw this huge display of items for your kitchen. First of all, I have to brag about these towels. These are 100% cotton, and they are super thick. You guys will not be disappointed with these. Also, they have some new oven mitts and pot holders. These are also 100% cotton. I love that. And you can tell that they are much thicker quality. Now, all of the pot holders do come in a 2-pack, and all the pieces in these kitchen linens are $1.50. Now they have the same items in a different colorway, more of a red colorway. You could get the same towels, the same pot holders, and the same oven mitts, and they're all just as nice and thick. I think you guys should give these a try. I've had a lot of people ask about if they do have 100% cotton items because they mostly come out with polyester, but yes. Now listen, all these dishes we've seen before, but I did have to highlight this clear charger. I know these were hard to come by during the holidays, but I wanted to let you know they are putting them on display with this collection. More dish towels, you guys. I saw these on the wall with the other dish towel items. These are also 100% cotton and super thick. I think the quality is being amped up at Dollar Tree, and I am here for it. So they do have these in 3 different styles. I saw them in green and white. I saw them in this gray and white, and also a darker gray and white as well. I did buy these. I can say, yes, they are amazing and 100% cotton. This was a new item here. So this is an air fryer liner basket by Lowenthal. It's an extra large size, 4.5 liters. It's oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. You guys, they only had one size, but they do have black, gray, and red colors. And these were flying off the shelves. I guess a lot of people got the air fryers for Christmas. So yes, they have a bunch of these, and these are $1.50. New year means new organization, and Dollar Tree has just put out their new organization for this year in these nice neutral colors. I definitely appreciate the neutral. I mean, brights are great for summer, but neutral is where it's at for the winter. So you can see they have these baskets, and they have clear containers in different sizes. And I'm loving that they're going with the tan and green and gray. It's easy to coordinate with those items. Now, if you get these clear containers, do not forget the lids that come with them. They put them on a different shelf at my store. Now, if you like those big storage bins, check this out. They have those in the same colors, nice large size for laundry or toys or anything like that. And then those classic square ones that are stackable, these are also included in the line that was just released at Dollar Tree. Now, I do have some of these baskets from a previous release, and I love them. I use them under my sinks. I love that they have the handles where you could pull them out really easily. Now, they do have more clear containers in different sizes and shapes, so make sure you look around the store. Sometimes they put them in different areas, but here's a more narrow one. It's great for those nice deep shelves that you're looking for narrow storage. And they also have those collapsible baskets with the handles that they come out with every season. They did come out with the colors for this collection as well. They have some more of those handled baskets. This time it's just a little bit shorter, just in case you didn't want one as thick. And you could also get some of the shoe boxes in these colors as well. It's been a long time since I've seen shoe boxes at my store. Now at the bottom, they did have a couple of more baskets in this collection. This one has like a woven looking material, but make sure you check it out. I love that these are nice and square. Now on an end cap, I saw these hanging. These are those Storage Essentials mini ice cube trays, you guys. These go along with the colors of the new storage collection. And so this is something I don't see very often, but make sure you check these out. I've heard mixed reviews about these trays, but if you've tried them, let me know in the comments. So then I dashed over to definitely the craft section because I had to see what was new with crafts. I did see some new fabric, this time in flannels. Perfect. Right on time for the winter time. So I saw this nice assortment of rolled flannels flannels. Can I speak today? These nice flannels. They had them in the assorted colors, and these are great for different types of projects, you guys. If you have any small projects to do, you want to make different baby items, this would be perfect. And these are fat quarter sizes. Now, over in glassware, I did see these containers. Now, these are actually vases, so they're 125 and not 150. They mistakenly put these in with the kitchen items, but they are 125. Speaking of vases, some of our favorites have reappeared. These vases with the texture in multiple colors, they are back for $1.25. They also have these that just came back. These are those bottles with the gold rim at the top, really pretty. Those are also 125 as well. I featured a whole lot of plant and garden last week, but there's some items that I missed, including these beautiful pots. Check out the beautiful design. I love the mixture of colors and the ombre on these. Now, these look like clay, but they are in fact plastic, but they are a thick plastic, which I appreciate, and they're $1.50. Really nice pots for the price. These are actually some of my favorites here. First of all, I love the texture and the design with the speckle and the paint, but I have to say the thickness is what I love the most. These are super thick. I love the design, and they really do look more high end than just $1.50. So make sure you check those out as well. Now, this is something new that I hadn't seen before. So these are packs of little trays for your pots to catch water. I've never seen them sell these plant saucers this way. So depending on the size, you can either get 4, 3, 2, or a single one. And these are all $1.50. Now you could get them in the classic clay color, or you can get them in black. But I thought this was a very great idea to go along with the pots. Instead of using those little cheapy, flimsy, clear plastic ones that they do sell, you can use something more beefy, more substantial to put under your tray. And it doesn't look so drab. So make sure you check those out. Each pack is $1.50. Now, just a heads up, all the vegetable and flower seeds are now 3 for $1.50, so that makes these $1.50 a pack. Now, last year they were 33 cents a pack. We know everything at every retailer is going up, so this was not a surprise. But if you are getting ready to garden, now's the time to pick them out because they do get purchased quickly. But yes, they're now 3 for $1.50 for all the seed packets. Heading over to health and beauty, look what I spotted. More character items, and this is from SpongeBob. They have these padded type of headbands. If you're looking for something like that, they did have that in 2 different styles. They also had 2 styles of the Smurfs, and they're more in a pink or a blue colorway with all the little characters on there. So make sure you take a look at those. I'm seeing these characters show up through all the sections at the Dollar Tree recently. Also, this was new as well. So these are those Hydro Beauty Brightening Makeup Remover Wipes. Now, this one has vitamin C. These do come in a 25 count pack, and they're just $1.25. Now, another one that they have is this one. So this one is the Hydro Beauty Softening version, and this one is with coconut extract. Again, 25 individual wipes. When I can appreciate that, I could just toss it in a bag and not worry about a big bag of wipes. Now, at another store, I saw this one. This one is the Hydrating Cucumber Extract version. 25 counts of these. So make sure you check these out for $1.25. If you're looking for dental floss, I saw this, which was interesting. This is a 2-pack of flavored dental floss in berry and watermelon. So yes, I think that would be fun for the kiddos and encourage them to get flossing. Another Eco Tools item has showed up. I hadn't seen this before. So this is a multi-stone body sculpting roller. Again, another great $1.25 item in the health and beauty section. Now, if you're a fan of strawberry shortcake, I found a few more items. So this is the 2-pack of lip balm. You can get them in fresh strawberry and lemon pie. So make sure you check those out as well. Now, here's another one that's really neat. So this one is the little lip gloss, and it's a strawberry scented lip gloss. If you're putting together Valentine's baskets, this would be so cute to add. They have a 4-pack of Indian turmeric 2-step peel and mask sets. Those are another great deal for 4 of them. Also, if you love Ricola cough drops, they have some new ones, honey and herb and sugar-free lemon mint. 2 new ones that just showed up at our store, and they're still just $1.25. If you are looking for the hemp seed oil lotions, check these out. They have 3 different versions in original, pineapple, honeydew, and coconut. And Must Have Beauty has come out with a zippered cosmetic bag. Now, this has 2 zippered compartments in the bag. You can get them in a blue floral and you can get them in a green floral. So they had 2 different compartments that you can put things in, and they just put this box on the shelf. That's why it's so full. Now, I did take one out and kind of plump it up a little bit so you guys can see the size of it. I was actually really impressed with this. For it being $1.25, that's a really great deal. Over in Automotive, Bob Ross has appeared in the form of an air freshener. Yes, so they have these 3 packs of air fresheners, all with Bob Ross themes. So you can choose from a couple of different pictures that they have here, but everybody needs a little Bob Ross in their life, some happy trees or some happy little accidents and things like that, because we're starting off 2026 happy, you guys. We're going to be positive this year, and we're going to keep it going with the positivity. So throwing Bob Ross into that mix just makes sense. So you can see they had all kinds of different designs here. Look at this one with the happy clouds. Come on now, you gotta have that. But they are sold in 3 packs, and all of the air freshener 3 packs at Dollar Tree are $1.50. Now, if you wanted some candy flavored scents, they had those as well. And these are all in a 3-pack as well. You can get the Tootsie Pops and Blow Pops in different flavors and varieties and scents. You can also get the fluffy stuff if you're a fan of that. They got some Double Bubble hanging out back there. You guys, there were so many to choose from. I mean, they even had the Andes chocolate mints. I mean, so many to choose from. And this was only at one store, so I'm sure that there are more at other stores if you just get out there and look at multiple stores. So yes, they are coming out with the 3 packs, and these are just $1.50. In the pet section, I found another name brand item. So this is the Spot self groomers for the kitties. So look, these are $5.99 sold online, but you can get them at Dollar Tree for $1.50. So make sure you get them there. In the food section, look, I found some new spicy ramen. I thought these were neat. The colors, the vibrance, they kind of stick out. It reminds me of when you go to an international food store. These definitely stuck out to me. Something new that I have never seen at Dollar Tree. And this is something that you might want to try if you like spicy food. Now, I did take a look online. Target is selling these in a 5-pack for $7.59. So listen, they're coming out to $1.51 each. You can get them cheaper at the Dollar Tree singly. Another item that I saw was name brand is this Karma water. So these are Karma energy drinks, and they come in blueberry watermelon, and they do come in melon dragon fruit. And it's got the little drink mix at the top that you kind of push to release into the water to mix it. You guys, that is so convenient if you're looking for your drink mixes to be separate from your waters. And being that they're just $1.25 is a great deal. Now, I did take a look online for these. I did find them over on Amazon. They're sold for between $27 and $32 a case, which comes out to $2.25 minimum each. Grab them at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Now they do have some new coffees. These are the Great Blends medium roast coffees that they have. They also have this brand in a donut shop blend if you prefer that type of blend. And then the last one they did have was a Brazilian roast blend. Now all of these bags of coffees are $2 now. So if you want to choose any of these or any of the other large bags, they will be $2. So now I'm going to walk over to the plus section. There were a few things that caught my eye over there that I wanted to share. And first were these 5-piece kitchen towel sets. Okay, so these were very impressive. You get 5 items. You get 3 towels and 2 of the pot holders, and they have multiple colors. So being that this is 5 pieces, each piece in this little set is only $8. So yes, for a plus item and being $5, this is definitely worth the buy to get all of these, and you can choose the color combination that you want. So there's so many to choose from. Make sure you swing by there to check those out. Also, these seagrass cotton rope baskets, they are back. And let me tell you, I'm here for it for organization. They had two different sizes. So for a better look at these, the flat large ones are $5. You can see you can get a seagrass with a white trim rope on there. You can also get that seagrass with an off-white or ivory blend if you prefer that. They also had it in gray too. So you could choose from 3 of those styles. Now the larger one, you can get like an off-white and seagrass bottom, or you can get the gray and seagrass bottom in this one. They're just $5, highly comparable to what you would find at other stores like World Market and things like that. Now they always have rugs, but I've never seen this one. I believe it's Bagley Mishka. So these are $7, and I thought it was on the higher end until I noticed these are washable rugs, you guys. I've never seen a washable rug at the Dollar Tree. They come in multiple prints. Make sure you check these out. I have a feeling they won't last long because they are washable. And if you see any of these Christmas cups left over, these are the metal tumblers, they are ringing up with the Christmas discount. So make sure you grab some of those. Now, if you missed my last Dollar Tree video featuring even more amazing finds, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you could check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, I hope that you guys find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and store updates at Dollar Tree. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.